display 4K 30 fps. Oh, iPhones look much better. All right. It's in this backlight condition. You can see, right? Xiaomi that got totally overexposed, but for iPhone, even iPhone 15 Pro, you can see the cloud, the beautiful cloud behind me. But on Xiaomi, it's just a total piece of shit. Okay, let's do the front light. Yeah, Xiaomi obviously got bigger. Still can see the blue sky. Okay, yeah, but yeah, guys, I will definitely switch to iPhones because in the past like 10 years I never got my hands on any of the iPhones because I always think iPhone got a really shitty system. I mean, it's really difficult to operate, not so convenient like Android, so anyway, that is the front camera, and let me run a little bit so you can see the difference. But iPhone looks really unstable but iPhone looks better. iPhone looks better, that's true. Higher dynamic range. Okay, let's take more photos. Okay, 4K 30 front. Yeah, Xiaomi looks so bright. Much brighter, but I'm not sure if it's still bright when I view on computer. So, but judging from the screen, Xiaomi has the worst dynamic range. You can check out the Legend. This just got overexposed, but on both iPhones just has great dynamic range. Also check out here, this part. With this, okay, the light. Okay, the light. Okay, I have to move. Yeah, I don't. To be honest, I don't even need to view this on computer. I can see that iPhone is much better. Even for the iPhone 15 Pro, no overexposure, much better dynamic range, and yeah, just much better. Okay. All right, that's it. Let's take more photos. Holy cow! That is beautiful, right? Typical Chinese style. All right, let's just walk a little bit. All right, so the biggest problem for iPhones is that all have this kind of ghost effect. You see the ghost effect just everywhere, man. For Xiaomi, it's a little bit better, but I can also see some ghost dots because this is a very complicated situation. But judging from the screen, I don't know. I cannot tell much difference. But anyway, that's it. 带球！哦，你对，带球，必须要拍你。没丢了，这个他没手呀。哇靠！好，这么一个。好，我操！哦，这么一个，全部拍到你了！我操！ 来了。好，这么一个。哎呦！老婆，看看这，老婆。在。对，在这里坐。哎呦，这他妈的 iPhone 15 Pro， 我操！哇塞！就是。那我直接走吗？可以。然后两个在做游戏吧，做游戏，我拍正好。做游戏。来，再跑一段。好，走走，我们是狗熊人了，我们是狗熊人了。Alright, one thing I got totally left out is the zoom. So this iPhone Pro Max. So one thing is like you can switch from 0 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like seamless. You can see all the way up to 15. It's like a really smooth transition. You cannot even notice any switches, you know. Okay, for Xiaomi, like it's up to okay. This ultra wide, you can switch up to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 15. Also 15 times. I don't even need to see this on computer. I can see iPhone Pro Max is much better. Alright, now for iPhone 15 Pro, you see it's up to 9 times. So here you go. Okay. Obviously. I think 9 times, even 9 times compare 15 Pro to the 14 Pro, then Xiaomi looks a little bit better. So yeah, but it falls short to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, not going to beat 15 Pro Max, not possible. Okay. 走吧，走，以最快的速度。走走，继续。快到妈妈那儿去。哟，爸爸来了！来，走了，走。哎呀，等一下，好吧，哎呦，来吧。好的，好的，可以跳。跳的最高。哎呀，好的。